Hey guys, in this video we are going to build a piece of artwork using recycled materials. Here I am using old cardboard that they were throwing away. I am going to just cut the edges in order to get the art base. I'm just cleaning out the edges because you know when you have a cardboard it has some messy edges sometimes, so just using this to clean it up a bit. You can trim the ends using the same X-Acto knife. All done, I cut the edges where I trace, and now I'm going to find a point, a center point, to create a center line. I had gathered some matches that my dad used to throw away, so I'm going to put them to good use. Here is why the line comes in handy, because what I want to do is make a triangle and move it all the way up to the top. Series of triangles. So, just watch. Also, remember to put some glue. I didn't put that in the video, but it's important to have something that your matches can stick to. Yeah, use that and continue your art project. Let me know what you do and what other methods you use and what recycled materials and projects you have done. A tip about using tacky glue, just use a little amount on the whole entire match. That's it. At the end of the day, it's all about having fun with what you do and doing something that you love. If you like this video, show your support by subscribing to this channel and giving it a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video.